Hello students, welcome to e-classroom of English. This is Harpreet and today we are going to do a grammar topic. Yes, conditionals. What are conditionals? Do you know? अच्छा, what is condition? जब हम किसी के सामने कोई शर्त रखते हैं that if you'll do like this, I will do this. Yeah, if you will study hard, you will get good marks. If you will do work hard, you'll get good marks and so on. So these are the conditions. So conditional sentences are mostly used to speculate about what could happen. अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि अगर ऐसा कुछ किया हमने तो ऐसा होगा. So it's a speculation और it is like what might have happened. अगर ऐसा किया होता तो क्या हो जाता, or it could have a wish what would happen. Almost all the conditional sentences contains if लगाएंगे तभी हमारा conditional sentence almost complete होता है. if is अगर in हिंदी. if I study I will pass the exam. तो एक कंडीशन है, अगर मैं स्टडी करूँगा तो मैं एग्ज़ाम पास कर जाऊँगा. इफ़ इट रेन्स, नेचुरल सी बात है, ग्रास वेट हो जाएगी. इफ़ यू डोंट हरी यू विल मिस द ट्रेन, अगर आप जल्दी नहीं करेंगे तो ट्रेन मिस हो जाएगी. एंड सो ऑन. सो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस कंटेन्स इफ़. So these all are the conditional sentences and the underlined part like if I study या फिर if it rains है ना, of all the sentences it is called as if clause. इसे कहा जाता है if clause because we are using two clauses in these sentences. if I study and I will pass the exam, दो clauses हैं. so if I study is the if clause and I will pass the exam is the main clause. Similarly in the next example, if it rains the grass gets wet, in this sentence if it rains is the if clause and the grass gets wet is the main clause. So hope it is clear that there are two clauses, if clause and main clause. So all the conditional sentences are made up of these two clauses. And in many negative conditional sentences, जो sentences negative होते हैं उसमें we can also use unless instead of if. हम unless भी use कर सकते हैं if के बदले. Now let us see about the kinds of conditionals. We have four kinds: zero type, type 1, type 2 and type 3. So let us read them one by one and try to understand. First is zero conditional. What is zero conditional? If in simple language if I explain you, it is generally the sentences or you can say both the clauses are of simple present tense. They are the universal truth or the general truth or the facts which almost happens everywhere. So simple present tense is used in both the parts of the sentence. If clause is also simple present tense and the main clause is also simple present tense. See the example. if you heat ice, इट इज़ अ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस सेंटेंस. इट मेल्ट्स. तो अगर आप आइस को मेल्ट करते हो नेचुरली आइस को हीट करते हो नेचुरली इट विल मेल्ट. तो एक नेचुरल फैक्ट है ये, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है ये कि दैट इट हैपन्स, होता ही होता है. सो बोथ सेंटेंसेज आर ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. सो इफ क्लॉज ले लीजिए या मेन क्लॉज, बोथ आर हैविंग सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. सो व्हाट वुड बी द स्ट्रक्चर? फर्स्ट यू विल यूज इफ, देन अ सेंटेंस ऑफ इफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, अगेन अ सिंपल present sentence. So that will make a combination and it will become a zero type. You can see more example. if you freeze water, अगर हम water को freeze करते हैं तो क्या होता है? Obviously it will become ice. Yes. So it becomes ice is also a simple present tense. So hence it is also a zero type. Wood doesn't burn if there is no air. Again both are simple. if वाला भी simple present tense है and main clause also. So here we can prove that when we have both the clauses as simple present tense, then it is called as zero type. Okay, now moving forward to type 1 conditionals. What are type 1? When the type 1 conditionals are used to refer the present or the future where the situation is real, actual or real condition होगी. So definitely one sentence will be of simple present tense. जो if के साथ आप use करेंगे that will be of simple present tense and the another clause will be of simple future. Exactly. But let us see the example. Structure भी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. If the weather improves, it is simple present tense. if के साथ हमने क्या यूज़ किया है? simple present tense. So definitely जो other part होगा that will be of simple future. if the weather improves, अगर weather improve होता, the plane will take off. ठीक है, तभी plane take off करेगा. That is simple future. So hence when we have one sentence of simple present tense with the if condition and the another sentence in simple future, that is called as type 1 conditional. We can see one more example. if it rains today, अगर आज बारिश होती है, they will get wet, तो वो गीले हो जाएंगे. It's a future time prediction कि वो गीले हो जाएंगे. Next, if I find her address, I will send her an invitation. अगर मुझे एड्रेस मिलता तो मैं उसे इन्विटेशन दे दूंगा. सो डेफिनेटली हियर ऑल्सो वन सेंटेंस इज ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट जो कि इफ क्लॉज है, एंड अनदर पार्ट इज सिंपल फ्यूचर. सो होप इट इज क्लियर दैट इन टाइप 1 कंडीशन वी हैव टू क्लॉजेस. वन इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, अनदर इज सिंपल फ्यूचर. Now talking about type 2 conditionals में क्या होगा? We mostly refers hypothetical situations or the probable results of those. Imaginary situations हम create कर लेते हैं, ऐसा होता तो हम ऐसा करते. तो most of the time we can say that if clause is of simple past tense, if के साथ simple past tense होगा, and the another part will be of main clause in present conditional. Let us see the example. If I had a lot of money, अगर मेरे पास पैसे, बहुत सारे पैसे होते तो, so you are imagining the thing and that too it is in simple past. So क्या होता? I wouldn't stay here, मैं यहाँ नहीं रहता. So it is simple past with would sentence. If I had a billion rupees, I would buy a private plane. सो अगेन एन इमेजिनरी पार्ट कि मेरे पास अगर पैसे इतने बिलियन रुपीज़ होते तो मैं एक प्राइवेट प्लेन ले लेता. हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन है, पॉसिबल नहीं है कंप्लीट होना, बट स्टिल वी आर राइटिंग. हेंस सच टाइप्स आर कॉल्ड एज टाइप 2 conditionals. Now let us talk about type 3 conditionals. Type 3 conditionals are the situations that refer to past. Yes, and a situation that is opposite to reality. Reality हो ही नहीं सकती. Like the facts which in reality are contrary to what is expressed. So one sentence that is of if clause will be of past perfect tense, and another will be the main clause in perfect conditional tense. Let us see the example. If I had accepted that promotion, so had accepted, that is past perfect. अगर मैंने accept कर लिया होता promotion, so I would have been working in Paris. तो मैं पेरिस में काम कर रहा होता. So it's a सेंटेंस विच इज़ अपोजिट टू रियलिटी. अभी रियल नहीं है वो, लेकिन हम इमेजिन कर रहे हैं कि अगर मैंने पास्ट में ये कर लिया होता तो आने वाले टाइम में ये हो जाता. सो सेकेंड पार्ट इज मोस्टली वुड हैव बीन और वुड हैव वाले सेंटेंसेज, एंड द फर्स्ट पार्ट वुड बी पास्ट परफेक्ट लाइक हैड वर्कड, हैड बुक्ड, हैड वाटर्ड, हैड सेल्ड एंड सो ऑन. इफ़ आई हैड वर्कड हार्डर एट स्कूल, अगर मैंने स्कूल में हार्ड वर्क कर लिया होता तो आई वुड हैव बेटर जॉब नाउ, मेरे पास एक अच्छी जॉब होती, एंड सो ऑन. सो डेफिनेटली इन टाइप 3 conditionals what you have to keep in mind is one sentence of if clause is in past perfect tense and the another is in main clause which is perfect conditional tense. For example, would have been या would have वाले sentences. Hope it is clear. Do watch the video girls more and more times to get best out of it so that you can learn more about these conditional sentences. Bye bye, thank you and take care.